Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Quick Tech Tips and Reviews. My name is Tony, and with this channel we bring you guys a variety of tech-related content. If this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe and hit that little bell down below so that you're alerted to when new content is being released. In today's video, we're going to take a look and explore Synology Office's User Interface. Alright guys, so a few weeks back I did a video on how to install Synology Office/Drive on your NAS. I'll put a link to that video up above. Today we're going to take a quick tour of the user interface. Okay, so I'm signed into my Synology Drive, and this is basically the home page. This is what you're presented with each time you sign in. You can see there's not a lot going on. It's a pretty simple user interface. Starting over, and we'll move from left to right, we'll come up to this corner here, and you see these little icons. If you click on those icons, you get the Drive icon here, and what this does is this will take you back to this home page no matter where you are within Drive. You have a little bell notification here. Moving down to the lower left hand corner is your profile settings. You have settings to adjust your profile, general settings. You can add an email account and set your default locale for Office. Also located down in the settings area are the logs, so you can see all events for everything that you've done on your Drive. You can pick and choose different types of logs. There you go, there's your logs. Going back again, you have About, which gives you your version. And then finally you can log out, and then also there's section to get help. Okay, moving over next from left to right, coming down this column here, you can see we have the hierarchy here. So again, in my Drive, I have two folders. I have a folder for my personal files and a folder for my business files, and then I just added a test file so that you can see what some of these other icons do when an item is selected. Here under Team folder, now this is interesting, because I originally used CloudStation Server before upgrading to Synology Drive, and these were the folders that I had synced using Synology's CloudStation Server. So when I did the installation of Drive, it actually migrated these folders over from CloudStation Server and placed them in the Team folder. Under Shared with Me, this works just like in Google Drive. These are items that others will share with you. Shared with others, these are items that I'm sharing with people outside of myself. Obviously your recent items, your starred items, and then your recycled ones. Okay, let's click back on my Drive, and coming over here, looking in the center, again, this is the list of your folders and files. And up in the right hand corner here, you have different views. You have a list view. You have a detail view, which to me looks very similar to the list view. You have a thumbnail view, and then you have a tile view. So again, this is your preference. I like to leave it in detail view. And then from here, you have your sort options. Coming back into the center section, let's click and select an item. So we'll click once on test file, and you notice the icons here now become available to you. When an item's selected, you can put a label on the item, you can share it with another person, you can move it, you can make a copy, you can trash it, and then you have more actions here. You can actually open it, copy to, copy, cut, encrypt it, look at the file history, get the info on the file, and download it. To actually add the file that you see here, all I did was come up to the plus sign, and then you can see I could create a new folder. I can create a new word processing document, a new spreadsheet document, a new slides document. What it does not have that Google Drive does have is a drawing component. But again, this is not a bad free alternative to keeping your documents private on your own local storage rather than keeping them out in the cloud. And of course, you can upload other files, so that's a nice feature. And that's pretty much just about it, guys. So that about does it for today's video, guys. Like I said, just a short tour of the user interface. In the next video, we'll take a look at how to share files with others. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out some of my other videos up above. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. And use those Amazon affiliate links. It doesn't change your price, but it does help out the channel. My name is Tony with Quick Tech Solutions. As always, thank you for watching. See you next time.